Start with the basics. What is game development?
Game development is the creative process of designing, coding, and producing video games. It blends storytelling, art, and technology to create interactive experiences. Understanding the fundamentals, such as how games work, core gameplay mechanics, and different genres, sets a strong foundation before diving into the technical skills required for game creation.
Learn essential skills, programming and design.
Begin by mastering a programming language commonly used in the industry, like C# for Unity or C++ for Unreal Engine. Simultaneously, study game design principles such as player engagement, balance, and level structure. Free online courses, tutorials, and beginner-friendly books are excellent resources for building these essential skills from scratch.
Get hands-on. Choosing a game engine.
Game engines like Unity and Unreal Engine provide the tools to build games without reinventing the wheel. Start with simple projects such as recreating classic games or basic platformers to practice concepts. Exploring the engine interface, working with assets, and experimenting with features are vital steps in turning ideas into real, playable prototypes.
Build your first complete game.
Moving from small projects to a complete game is a milestone. Define a simple, achievable concept, like a basic puzzle or platformer. Plan your development stages. Prototype, design, code, test, and polish. Document your progress and seek feedback from friends or online communities. Finishing and sharing your first game boosts confidence and skills.
Grow your skills, next steps, and career tips.
Once you've built your first game, expand your knowledge by learning advanced topics like 3D graphics, AI, or multiplayer features. Join game jams, contribute to open source projects, or collaborate with others. Building a portfolio of completed projects and connecting with the game development community can open doors to internships, jobs, or indie game releases.